Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on mobile data in Samsung S22 Ultra. First we need to have our SIM card inserted in the phone. Then we need to swipe from the top once again to expand this menu right here. And here we have mobile data option. To turn it on, we simply need to tap it once, and now it's on and we can connect to the internet. Alternatively, the same option can be found here. Settings, then connections. Here we have data usage option. And the same option is here. Mobile data is now on. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.